I am literally so shocked right now.
I was just playing grow a garden until something
Natatakot daw siya, so creepy.
So I was just grinding.
Alam niya, kinukunin ng Brextalk seed kung punta siya sa may grow a garden. Sinasabi niya. O nangyari, walang siyang kaibigan, walang tawag siyang tao. Panoorin natin kung ano nangyari.
In my private server. It was only me.
Pero, na-disconnected siya. Pag disconnected, natatakot daw siya yung anak niya. Sobra, kung natatakot daw siya at iba pa. Kailangan daw kung ano nangyari sa video. Panoorin
Here. Nobody else had permission to join me. Until I was met with someone who I never knew. This is where he approached me.
Binigay niya sa
I was very
kanya
shocked
at
and
siya na welcome.
Nobody had permission to this server but me.
Sabi daw niya,
I decided to act cool.
nakaisip na dito sabi ni Jandel. Sinabi ng CCTV ng footage kung ano nangyari po sa may iba-iba. Kung walang tao doon habang buhay. Kung walang nag-join, ibig sabihin, may nakita niyang grow a garden na para ngiti na nakatakot. Naroon natin.
But his reaction was shocking.
Okay, pag sino, kung walang ginawa, baka natatakot tayo kung ginawa niya. Responsible pa, nakikita doon sa construction. Paru-araw doon sa USA, sinabi niya sa Roblox. Kung ano nangyari, walang silang tao, kung nakateleport na siya.
I was just checking out my egg.
Tao nasa likod niya.
Until
He had teleported to me.
Rules or
I was so scared.
How could he do that?
Kung ano nangyari sa Roblox.
He wouldn't respond to me.
No matter what.
Nababots na siya kung ano nangyari na
I got
na-trade
creeped
mo
out.
siya dito.
So I decided to just
Pero
let it
walang
go.
tao dyan
But
kung ano
when I
nangyari.
did, I noticed that he started following me.
I was
I was
really
really spooked out.
I had enough. So
May
I decided to
follow na
question.
siya dyan kung sino yan. Kung sino yan siya, bakit siya na sumusunod sa kanya? Di siya sumusunod or ginagano sa hydration. Dito, or nyara siya dito sa mga barangay.
How on earth did this happen? This is
Kailangan
what
na
you're getting
tayo
on my nerves right
magkakaroon
now.
sa kanila. Pakita. Kailangan pa tayo. Salamat sa inyo kung walang para. Salamat.